Making money on YouTube is actually not difficult at all. It just takes a lot of overcoming fear and a lot of limiting money beliefs when it comes to making money online. And I know from firsthand experience, because this is something that I've experienced for the last 11 to 14 years, trying to figure out how to make money online and how to go about just overcoming those small little voices in my head telling me that I can't do it. So if you are someone who wants to take content creation to the next level and you want to be a YouTuber and make money off of YouTube, then this video is for you. Go ahead and like it. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Chrissy Walker. I help online new content creators make better content, get more subscribers, and make more money online. So if that sounds like your jam, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and we can be friends. Just a full disclaimer though, this is not going to be an easy ride, especially at the beginning. And it definitely wasn't for me, and I'm anticipating it's not going to be for you. But if you see this as a long-term career or something that you want to build on over time, then this is something definitely worth exploring. But at the beginning, it's going to be very difficult, and you're going to have to constantly fight your own mind on things that you want to agree with or you want to believe in or you want to tell yourself you can do, but your mind is always telling you you can, or it's going the complete opposite direction. So you're going to have to constantly fight those limiting beliefs and those little voices in your head that are causing so much resistance in your journey. And the best thing that you should do for yourself is to actually ignore yourself and simply take action. So before you even start anything, I definitely recommend going in with a plan. And so whenever you feel resistance or whenever you feel like you have those little voices on the side of your shoulder telling you not to do something, or that you're not good at it, or it's just not worth it, if you stick with your plan and you follow step by step, then you are on the road to your own success. You're going to need grit, you're going to need to be consistent, persistent, and you're going to have to be, most of all, patient, which is something that I had to learn in the long run. But patience is going to be a huge factor when it comes to you building a successful YouTube channel that makes money. The first step to starting to make money on YouTube is going to be the most obvious step, and that is to grow your audience. In order for you to actually consistently grow your audience, you have to be publishing consistently as well. So when it comes to growing your audience, I'm going to give you a little strategy, and you can follow it or you can alter it to what works best for you. But I highly recommend to post one long form video every single week, 3 shorts a week from your long form video, 1 community post every single week, and then I want you to always engage with your comments, engage with your audience, or even if you have to go to other YouTube videos and engage with other people who could ideally be someone who would subscribe to your channel, you can do that as well, but that's just an extra step. But if you take this strategy and you're able to be consistent and put out content every single week, you are on the roll to growing your audience. At the time of this recording, I still have less than 10,000 subscribers, and I started my channel, I relaunched my channel in December of last year. So I have been growing it a little bit more than 1,000 subscribers every single month. And there are times when I didn't post for about 2 weeks and I would post on the 3rd week, and my subscriber count still grew. So if you are consistent, especially at the beginning of your journey, and you're very focused on a specific topic for your channel, so for me, it's content creation for beginners, I hyper focus on what my audience needs to see or wants to see, what they're searching up, what they would like to learn about, and I made videos around that. And because I was making videos based on what my audience needed and wanted, I was able to grow my subscribers. Even if my views were still below 1,000, I still was able to gain more subscribers on a monthly basis. So make sure that you're publishing every single week. And if you cannot commit to the shorts, at least commit to the long form, because the long form is it's evergreen content. It's going to be there forever. And if somebody were to click on a video that you created 2 years ago, 5 years ago, and you're still publishing, that viewer could turn into a subscriber because they see that you have always been consistent and you're someone that is reliable when it comes to the topic that they're trying to learn about. So be sure that you're consistent with publishing every single week. And if you can do 1 long form, 3 short form every single week, a community post, and then engaging with your comments, that would be a great starting point for you in your journey. My second step is to get all of your subscribers onto an email list. God forbid that YouTube gets shut down and all of your subscribers get wiped out, or somebody hacks your account and you lose everything. Just in the worst case scenario, the best thing to do is to make sure that you move your subscribers to an email list, because if something does happen, you still have direct contact to your subscribers through your email list. Your email list is going to be a placeholder or a place for your community to have basically direct access to you. You're able to communicate with them about deals and about sales that you have and affiliate links that you have, or you provide them such valuable information that you would in videos. And it's just a way for you to keep your audience as warm as possible and keep them as a part of your circle, your community. Now, how are you going to get those subscribers to your email list? Now, one is going to be a call to action. So the call to action is basically you telling your subscriber to go subscribe to your email list. You do that through your videos, you do that through community posts, you do that in your shorts. And when you tell them to do that, sometimes people will go ahead and click on it and they will subscribe. But the important part about it is that you have something to give them. You want to have an exchange. So I highly recommend to create some type of free digital product for your subscribers to have. And again, it's going to be free, but you still want it to be valuable. It could be an ebook, it can be a template, it could be a video, it could be a masterclass, a seminar, whatever it is, you want it to be digital so that it's easy for them to quickly access it as soon as they subscribe to your email list. So you're going to create something as valuable as possible for free, and then you're going to create a link using like ConvertKit or MailChimp or Zoho or any other email marketing platform, ActiveCampaign. You're going to choose one of those platforms, which I personally use ConvertKit, and if you want to use it, I do have a link down below for you to check it out. But for ConvertKit, it's free to use to start with, and you can create a freebie, and then you would put that freebie into ConvertKit. So create your freebie using Canva, and then you're going to download that freebie, and then you're going to create a subscribe to my newsletter or download this for free type of form on ConvertKit, and you're going to attach that download into that form so that when somebody submits their email and their name, they're able to submit it and then immediately get the free download. When you're trying to create your freebie, think of something valuable that will help your audience resolve an issue. So think of a problem that they have and figure out, how can I make a solution in a free digital product form? So for me, if I were to make a guide or something like that, and people want to know how to grow a YouTube channel, I can make a free guide on how to grow your YouTube channel along with product recommendations, like the best cameras, the settings, all that good stuff, and then maybe links to videos I feel like would be helpful for that subscriber. And if you actually are interested in growing your YouTube channel and you want a free guide on that, you can actually click on the link down below in my description, because I do have one that's completely for free. It is my YouTube growth roadmap, and again, download it and it's for free. So when it comes to email marketing or building your email list, you want to make it a goal to convert your subscribers to your email list. And once you start your email list and you start getting subscribers to your email list, send out one email every single week. Just one. You don't need two, you don't need three. One every single week is fine enough. It will help you and your audience connect with each other. It will provide value to them. It will allow them to trust you more. So just send one valuable email out every single week so that you can keep that audience as warm as possible. The third step is to start incorporating affiliate links once you've started to build up your channel a bit more and there are products that you know your audience will want or need. So for me, I know there are certain cameras that people are curious about, and whenever I mention it in my videos, I will go ahead and just casually drop that affiliate link into my description, and then whoever wants to check out that camera is able to go ahead and go into my YouTube video description, click on it, and then purchase it. And once they purchase it, I get a small percentage of commission that I get paid out for just because I recommended that product. The easiest platform or the easiest place for you to get approved to start affiliate marketing is going to be Amazon affiliates. I love them. They have everything that you could recommend pretty much, and it's easy to get approved so that you can immediately start adding in those affiliate links to your descriptions. You can add it into your ebooks, you can add it into your emails, and that is another huge part about email marketing, is that you're able to have that direct link in the email. So as your subscribers are reading through it and they see the value in a certain product that you're talking about, you can provide an affiliate link and they can click on it, purchase it, and you get a percentage of that sale. When it comes to affiliate links, you want to be sure that you're recommending products that you actually like, that you actually recommend, and that you actually have had your hands on or have used yourself and can approve of that product. Because the last thing that you want to do is recommend products one of your subscribers or many of your subscribers purchase it and then it's a flop. That's going to ruin this trust that you have with your audience, and it can cause them to never want to purchase from you ever again or purchase anything that you recommend ever again. So when you are mentioning affiliate products, you just want to be sure that you have integrity behind the recommendation and you want to build that trust between you and your audience. So you're going to grow your audience, and as you're growing your audience, you're going to try to get your subscribers to subscribe to your email list. As you're growing your email list and you're sending out an email every single week, you want to go ahead and start incorporating affiliate links as natural as possible, not to where you're trying to pressure them to purchase anything, but you can add it in softly and just have it as like, oh, by the way, this is something that I recommend, and see how that works. Mention it in your comments, mention it in your description boxes, mention it in your emails. And then as you're doing all of that and building up your audience and building up your subscription list, you want to go ahead and build an offer at the same time. It can be a product, maybe you want merchandise, or maybe you want to start an online coaching program or build an online course, or you want to start providing services. During the growth period of your channel, start building out that thing that you want to sell. This is going to be like your main offer, the big thing. This is going to be the main thing that your subscribers will want to purchase from you. So for example, let's say you are an online coach and you teach people how to grow their finances and get out of debt. So you can give tips and you can grow your audience, and then you can convert them to your email list and give them more tips on there. Start mentioning affiliate links, but then maybe people want to learn directly from you. Maybe they want to know exactly how your mind works, how you go about things, how to do things step by step, XYZ. The perfect opportunity for that is either coaching or an online course or some type of masterclass that you can sell. And so you're going to build up the offer, and you want to make it such a juicy offer that no matter what the price is, it's going to be worth it. Determine the price, finish up building up the product, and then start selling it. So start mentioning it in your emails, start mentioning it in your videos and community posts. If you have other social media platforms, you can also mention it there. But then you're going to start selling this offer, and then you're going to start building up your income on top of that. So that is going to be a way for you to make money off of YouTube without needing AdSense or without needing brand sponsorship. So this is something that's kind of completely separate from those two common ways of making money on YouTube, is by the affiliate marketing, which is also pretty basic, and then having a very strong offer that you could put a small price or a big price, or you could just make up whatever price you want and you can sell it and potentially replace your income or add an additional income that could match your current income at the moment. That, my friend, is how you can turn your YouTube into a business. And if you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and you're more than welcome to click on the video on the screen, and I'll be more than happy to see you there. Bye.